How to share saved collection on Instagram with friends. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share saved collection on Instagram with friends. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just go to the reel sections, and here let's say you have one reel that you want to save on a certain collection by creating it. So there you can just tap on save icon, which can be seen in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you have saved that, a pop-up menu will appear. In that menu, you can just tap on plus button. And now here, once you tap on it, you can just tap on new collection at the top right. And after that, you can just create a new collection for it. And now here, while creating a collection, you can just tap on this option that says add people to this collection. And now from here, you can just select the people that you want to include in this collection of saved videos. And once you're done with it, you can just tap on done. And that's it. That's how you can share saved collection on Instagram with friends. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.